Hi, I'm Jesse with Metroline Direct. In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Yealink CP965 IP conference phone with and without the admin password. And I want to tell you which method is right for which situation. But before I do, I just want to mention if your phone is on Yealink's RPS system, which is the Zero Touch Provisioning System Yealink refers to as Redirection Provisioning Service. If your phone is on that system, when it boots up after the factory reset, it will go back to Yealink's RPS server. Yealink will redirect your phone to the hosted provider where it's already provisioned on, and when it downloads its configuration, it's going to go back to what it was before, including the admin password. So in that case, what you would want to do is go to Yealink's website and open up a ticket and ask them to take that off of their RPS system. Or you can go back to your hosted provider and ask them to take it off of their system and just let them know that you no longer want the phone on their system. Now, I will say that besides the phone being on Yealink's RPS system, both of these methods should work fine, although I did run into one situation where after I factory reset the phone without the admin password, I was not able to log into the phone with the web browser. So I had to go back into the phone's menu and factory reset the phone again with the admin password. So just keep that in mind just in case you run into that. Here's how to factory reset the phone with the admin password. So as you can see in the upper right corner, my phone is registered to extension 711. So I'll go ahead and swipe down from the top, and I can press settings, then go all the way down to the bottom, at the bottom of the screen you'll have advanced, and it's asking for the admin password. The default admin password is admin. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I've got reset config, and then I choose reset to factory settings, and the phone will say reset to factory setting. You just press OK, and now it tells me resetting to factory, please wait. Now you can see the phone is saying initializing, and when it boots up, it will be factory reset. So now the phone is booted back up, and it's back to saying no service on the upper right corner because it's factory reset. Here's how to factory reset the phone without the admin password. So the trick is to get your finger on that circle button, which is the home button, before the initializing screen comes up. If you don't get your finger on that circle button before the initializing screen comes up, then you're going to miss your window to factory reset the phone. And then you'll know it is factory resetting the phone when it comes to that blue screen and it says it's entering recovery mode.